it was found forgotten, scorched, and written off as worthless. Nothing about this condition suggested survival.
What lay beneath was even more devastating.
Disassembly had to be slow and careful.
Every surface carried scars from extreme heat.
Heat had reached places it never should.
The first assessment revealed just how bad things really were.
Inside, time had completely stopped. Stripping down revealed the true extent of damage. Hidden problems finally came into view.
The long cleaning process begins.
Fire leaves nothing untouched. Years of destruction start washing away. Not everything was lost. Every component demanded attention. Safety systems needed complete rebuilding.
Strength had to be restored from the ground up.
Structure slowly returned.
Each piece told a story of survival. The past was being flushed away.
Power would flow again. Fresh life support systems go in.
Control slowly returned. Comfort finds its way back.
Preparation is everything.
A clean foundation is laid. Patience shapes the result.
The shine begins to emerge. It stands on its own again.
The moment approaches. After silence, there is hope.
The heartbeat is steady.
Life returns.
Movement confirms success.
Stability has been achieved.
The outside world awaits.
Every line now makes sense.
Precision defines the outcome.
This was never ordinary.
Purpose has returned.
From destruction to rebirth. Time failed to erase it. A legend lives again.